Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by for another video with me, and if you're new here, then hello and welcome. My name is Katie. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and the founder of Live It Well Nutrition. This channel, I do lots of videos. I do videos Wednesdays and Saturdays, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around for those videos too. Today I am bringing you 3 healthy vegan holiday drinks that won't put you on the naughty list this Christmas and will have you feeling really good because there's actually benefit to them. So here are the drinks we're making today. We're making a MACA hot chocolate, which is so rich and creamy and not too sweet. We've got a sugar-free vegan eggnog. And that is so good. If you've bought the vegan eggnog in the stores, you'll know that it is so sweet. You just taste the sugar. But this is sugar-free and it's rich and creamy and it's so good. And all of these are really easy to make. Then third, we have this little beauty, and that's a chai tea latte, and it is again so easy to make. You probably have everything all ready for all of these drinks in your cupboards. Oh my goodness, this chai tea latte is so good. Okay, so let's stop teasing you and show you how to do this for yourself. Let's go. Okay, I really hope that you liked this video with me. Please stick around for more and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos with me. And let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these drinks, and if so, what did you think about them? Also, like the videos if you did, so I know to make more like this. And in the meantime, have a wonderful holiday season. Until then, live it well because you only live once. Bye!